Good morning, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I've got this 2019 F450 Platinum here to let you take a look at. These 450 Platinums are pretty much loaded to the gills. There's only one other trim level you can get higher than the Platinum, and that's the Limited. When you go over to the Limited, it's really just aesthetics more than anything. The Platinum's kind of a lateral move to the Limited. This one's got pretty much everything you can get. Power deployable running boards, so you can just hit that. Those will open right up. 360-degree camera, spray-in liner, gooseneck prep package, LED box sliding, tailgate step, remote tailgate release, rated to tow 32,500 pounds, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable mirrors, adaptive cruise control, black interior, dual panel sunroof, navigation, lane departure. Beautiful truck here and for sale. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. I'll get you my contact info. This is Austin at Hunt Ford, and thanks for your time.